Welcome to our overview of FBA Liquidations. We'll go over FBA Liquidations, show you how to get started, and walk you through an example. We offer sellers several options for dealing with excess inventory stored in Amazon fulfillment centers. They can turn their excess into opportunity with outlet deals. For more about outlet deals, search Amazon Outlet in Seller Central. Sellers can also request we return excess inventory to them or dispose of it, both for a fee. But another option is to use FBA Liquidations, which gives sellers the chance to earn revenue from overstock, returned, or unused inventory. Our program allows liquidators working with Amazon to sell products on behalf of sellers. Liquidators buy bulk inventory from Amazon to reuse or resell with some restrictions. For example, liquidators aren't allowed to resell FBA liquidated products in the Amazon store, and they can't return liquidated inventory to you, the original seller. After you submit a liquidation order, your monthly and long-term storage fees stop accruing. Liquidating inventory can also help improve your sell-through rate by reducing excess or aged inventory, and it can raise your Inventory Performance Index or IPI score. When you use FBA Liquidations, you also prevent inventory from going to waste. You can submit specific units of inventory, and Amazon will determine an average selling price, or ASP, for that ASIN. To calculate the ASP, Amazon looks at several factors, including your overall sales history, the ASIN's average selling price in the Amazon store, and its sales history. The process is simple. To submit inventory ready for liquidation, you create a removal order. First, sign in to Seller Central and click the menu icon in the upper left corner. Hover over Inventory, then click Manage All Inventory, which will bring up your current inventory. Find the ASIN you want to edit and click the Edit button. Then, in the drop-down menu, select Create Removal Order. After you submit a removal order, Amazon will coordinate with liquidators to sell your product. On average, you can expect to recover approximately 5 to 10% of the ASP value minus the fees in your account within 60 days from submitting the removal order. Amazon charges 2 separate fees for each item you liquidate: a referral fee and a processing fee. The referral fee is a percentage-based fee. The processing fee is a per-item fee based on the size and weight of the product, which covers Amazon's processing costs. For more information about FBA Liquidations fees, search for the FBA Liquidations help page in Seller Central and scroll down to the section on fees. Now let's go over an example liquidation. Imagine you sell cases for mobile devices in the Amazon store, and you have an excess of unsold or returned cases that you want removed from the network. You can see your options for returning or disposing of inventory in the 2 far right columns with the headings Dispose and Ship to Address. Row A shows the average selling price for your case at $20. If you want to have this item disposed of or returned to you, you can see in row E that you would be charged a 25-cent processing fee. FBA Liquidations gives you a third column, Liquidate. For the same case, row A shows an average selling price of $20 and a contracted liquidator rate of 7.5% in row B. Multiplying rows A and B will give you a gross recovery value of $1.50, which you can see in row C. For Amazon's referral and processing fees, check rows D and E. Those fees are subtracted from the gross recovery value in row C, giving you a net recovery value of $1.02 in row F. As you can see from this example, if you used the FBA Liquidations program, you could net over $1 per item by liquidating your inventory rather than having Amazon return it to you or dispose of it. Keep in mind the information in this example is subject to change depending on individual circumstances. This concludes our overview of FBA Liquidations. For more information about FBA inventory, see our FBA videos in Seller University. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!